Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Melanie from Bake a Leg and Let's Dig It. And I am coming at you with how to make French fries. Super easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. I just only pulled out 3 Idaho potatoes and I already peeled them in advance so you guys don't have to suffer through that. I am not using a deep fryer. I'm just using a heavy bottom pan. You want to turn it on, start getting the oil. And then this is how we make French fries. I do have a paper plate with paper towels on there so you could absorb the oil. Now this is how I make a quick batch of French fries. Cut your potato in half. And then you could just go like this. I'll show you a couple different ways. Slice them into wedges. Like that. And then you can go like that if you want super thin ones. Just all depends on how you cut it. You can make shoestring. You can make thicker French fries. So you can get them pretty thin if you want them. So basically, or you could do what I do and leave a couple sliced, stacked together, and then just slice them together. It goes a little quicker, but just keep your finger out of the way. You can make Old Bay French fries. You can make garlic French fries. People say to me, how do you make garlic French fries? It's real garlic cloves, and you let them go in towards the end enough so that they don't burn, and you'll have the pieces right on your French fries. Old Bay, which is a seasoning spice, is very popular here in Pennsylvania, but I think we're just going to show you. And I say we because my darling Lindsay is behind the camera today, thank God. Gives me a break. And we're just going to show you how to do a quick batch. I'm not going to cut the other 2 potatoes because I think you kind of have the idea. You'd be surprised how many people on Instagram ask me how I made French fries. And this is how I did it for my kids if they wanted it at night for a snack. So it's a pretty good amount of French fries just for, you know. This one's a little bit thicker. Let me cut this one a little bit smaller. You can just go through if you find any thicker ones. Cut them a little bit thinner because you want them all to kind of cook at the same time. You want shoestring potatoes or French fries, you just have to keep going thinner and thinner. Like that. Okay. So after you chop up you peel your potatoes, I recommend Idaho potatoes. For French fries, you want to take just a strainer like this, throw the potatoes in here. You want to give the potatoes a good rinsing with cold water. Like I said, we are going to have French fries for lunch today, but I wanted to show you guys just how to do it quickly. And you just want to get all the starch off the potatoes by just rinsing them. In the meantime, the oil's preheating over there on the stove. And once you feel like all the starch is off your potatoes, give them a good shake. And then what you do is you take some paper towels. You could fold them up, dump them on the paper towel, and start patting them dry. Because you don't want it to pop all in the oil. Just to get the excess water off. And there are your potatoes cut. Pretty dry. Oops, I just dropped a couple. These won't be dry. Let me re-rinse these. And just absorb as much of the water as you can. You can test your oil with a thermometer. I don't do all that. but you can try with just a piece of a French fry. And you could start seeing the bubbles. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Just by holding one French fry in there, you can kind of tell if your oil's ready. Could be a little bit hotter, but we are going to drop these in. This is just me showing you all how to make quick batch of homemade French fries. Super duper easy. I know still a lot of things are closed, so if you're in a mood for a good French fry with some salt or Old Bay on it, you can make Italian French fries by putting some Parmesan cheese on that. That also is amazing. And then just toss them around to make sure they don't burn. Just give them a few minutes and you'll start seeing them brown up. And yeah, we will bring you back as soon as these cook up, which usually takes like 2 minutes. As you can see, I'm just trying to wipe my spoon off a little bit. They're starting to look brown. You can get them, keep them, if you want them really brown and crispy, that's your choice. I think this is looking pretty good. And as you see, I've already chopped up another whole potato. Super quick to make. So if you don't have a pizza parlor that's open, or your favorite restaurant, or maybe your little kiddos want some homemade French fries, this is a super quick video just to show how you can make homemade French fries at home. If you're anything like me, I love potatoes. This is like a portion for me just by myself. And then that's it. Then what you do, I only use kosher salt or sea salt. You can salt them up, give it a little shake, and that's it. Let me bring you in so you can see them. I want to bring you in quicker so that you could see. So there's the French fries. You just peel a couple Idaho potatoes. I showed you how to cut them. It took a matter of like 2 minutes inside a heavy bottom pot. Even if you don't have a deep fryer, you can make these yummy things right at home. So there you have it, guys. Just a quick video on how to make French fries at home with everything going on and the restaurants being closed. I hope this was helpful. God bless. And I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.